Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Last week I was part of Three Rivers Arts Festival. If you don't know what Three Rivers Arts Festival is, it is the largest art show in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It happens for 10 days every summer, and it's always been a dream of mine to be part of this show. So this year I was in the show for the second year in a row, and I'm so thankful that I was part of it because it has so much attraction and there are hundreds of thousands, I think like 300,000 to 400,000 people attend the show every year. So how could I pass up on this awesome opportunity? I like going to the show beforehand every year just to view people's setups and see if there's anything interesting for me to buy so I can support other small businesses and just to see if there's anything that I'm missing that I should be doing. And I am absolutely no expert, so I change up my booth every single year, and I'm always growing. I'm always looking to expand and grow. Here's a video of me setting up my booth. I had my fiance Michael and my mom helping me set up this year, and I'm so thankful for it. Believe it or not, this process took us 5 whole hours. Now, we are by no means experts, like I said, and to most people, I'm sure it would take so much less time. But we were kind of winging it, and it took a long time. We had to start setting up at 10 p.m. So we were up there until like 3 a.m. So the next day we still had more to set up, believe or not. So this is me coming the next morning to a booth that still needed some setup before the show started. It was a really long day. It was like over 10 hours that day. So I really don't recommend that. Some people actually create mock-ups of their setup ahead of time, or some people do setups for large booths like every week. So they're way used to it. But I'm not. I usually stick to the smaller shows, and in the grand scheme of things, am a newbie. So it just took us a lot of trial and error. It definitely took a long time. But here is the final setup, the final booth display that we had that day. I had all of my stickers and greeting cards on that wall and some prints. I had my candles laid out here, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. We had mini stickers at the checkout line, and we had a sale for the show for these so people could just scoop up mini stickers. These are all of my larger stickers too. And my friend gave me the idea to display all of my stickers like that. Greeting cards. I'm still trying to tweak the how I set up my greeting cards. I would love for it to look more like a card store, but this is what I worked with. And I think it turned out really, really well. So it was a 2-day show that I did. And then at the end of the day, get it going into the night on Sunday, we started tearing down. I had some more family helping us tear down, and it took way less time than the setup. And anyway, this was the show for me. All right, that is a wrap. I know it was a really quick video, but I thought that I would bring you through the process of setting up and tearing down for a really big show. I know I didn't go into it with a game plan, and that's part of what I wanted to show you. Just that, like, not everybody knows what they're doing, including myself, even though I've done this before. But I thought I would just bring you through the process and show you what I'm up to. I really appreciate you watching this video. It means so much to me. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you never miss a video. I put one out every single week. So if you're not already subscribed, subscribe below. It's super easy. It would mean the world to me. Now, leave a comment below if you like this video too, or if you have any suggestions for future videos. I love taking suggestions suggestions. I really want to put out content that you want to see. Again, thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.